Good morning, weekend squad. What is up? So today let me vlog and speak in not in our native tongue. We're gonna do this video especially for our international viewers. Maybe we have some, because I was searching for videos in YouTube about the Zard exhaust for the Street Triple RS 2020 to 2022. Actually, I've seen a couple, but I haven't seen anything yet that caught my attention. So we ordered the Zard Slip-on exhaust for this, and it actually arrived yesterday. So now we're on our way to a local shop here in the Philippines, a good friend of ours, to have it installed. So I'm gonna document the whole process, installing and replacing this one. I think it's gonna be simple because it's just slip-on, but nevertheless I'm gonna document it so that if you want to check it out, if you want to do it on your own, you have to do it yourself, you can at least have a guide on how to do it. So again, ride shotgun with me with the 2021 Street Triple RS, and let's do some exhaust modification. Alright, so maybe some of you are asking, why do you need to replace the one that you already have? It's already a good exhaust. It's an original Akrapovic exhaust with link pipe. Well, I have three reasons. First is I'm really a fan of the underbelly exhaust. I'm a fan of the sleek design, the simple design, streamlined design of the underbelly exhaust creates. So that's the first reason we want to replace it to the Zard. Second is our Trident before has the full Zard exhaust system. So I was really happy with how it performed, how it sounded. So I want to do it for the Street Triple. That's the second. The third and the last is the backfire of this Akrapovic. I don't like how it sounds. You can hear like a gargle sound. Listen, like that. So I'm not sure if when we install the Zard it's gonna improve or there's no more sound like that, but hopefully. So that's the last reason. Alright, so we're already here at the 7115 Scooter Shop, a local shop here in the Philippines. So there you go. We're gonna install it. Gonna ask the help of Don to install the Zard. There's the Zard. This is his Trident. So he has lots of accessories and parts as well. Look at those exhausts. OEM exhaust. They replaced the Zard, I think. Some of them other aftermarket exhaust. So I'm just gonna wait for him and we'll resume the video when we start. Alright, peace. Clamp naman. So it's Don of 7115 Scooter Shops. Shout out, boss. So
We're gonna
Carbon.
install the Zard system for the 3 RS. The first time that we're gonna do it, so the Zard system, ito naka-loop na yung nakuha ni Ton. So we're gonna find out kung saan yung mga mounts niya would fall. Same sa Trident, no?
The same. I think same yung pinaka
Canister niya.
canister.
So no instructions on hand. We have to do this manually.
Akrapovic exhaust to the Zard. Let's do a sound check so we can compare later. Sige bro.
Starting.
Alright. So that's the sound check for the Akrapovic exhaust. Later, you're gonna compare it to the Zard. Alright? Alright. So no need to remove the heat shield.
Later, baba na lang natin to.
This is the link pipe. So that's where this one is gonna connect to the original manifold. Alright. Just one bolt sa clamp, and then the other one that holds the canister sa rear foot peg, passenger foot peg I mean.
The bracket, bro, is aftermarket. Tapos I'm not sure kung where's the original screw for this one. Supposedly, peg lang siya. Like most bikes. Yeah. So this was replaced na. You know,
Yeah.
if you have extra, you can avail to have it back in stock. See?
I'm planning to remove this din naman eventually.
Okay. So ito, di-delete mo.
Delete. Evotech sells the delete peg. I have yet to buy. So Don is removing the bracket that holds the canister.
We're gonna remove the screws for
I think there's another screw there.
Niluwagan na natin. Tapos dito, para later. It will be harder to remove once this is done eh, 'cause you have to hold on to the pipe.
So he just loosened the screw that holds the canister. He didn't remove it fully. So we're gonna remove the spring first. There you go.
Canister. And hindi siya mainit because this is carbon.
Carbon.
So it doesn't radiate heat like steel does. So tolerable siya.
There you go.
Canister off.
And now the link pipe is what's left. Another bracket. So there's two brackets. Actually, one for the link pipe, one for the canister. Thought you're gonna spray WD-40. Ah yes, the ever so useful WD-40. There you go. Link pipe. So that's the Akrapovic system, slip-on.
one I'm not sure. I think dito.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, ganun siya later. Nice.
Clean look. Underbelly. That's one of the reasons why I want to replace. I'm a fan of the underbelly. For a cleaner look.
We can do it either way, no other directions. To bump here, we can have it that way for more access or more clearance this way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it would be above the belly pan for your oil sump. One problem, they did not provide any dampening here, so it's metal to metal. So I would highly recommend to Ton that we would place a rubber material inside, so just in case that the pipe would vibrate, it would not have any unnecessary noises like this. So before installing, we have to look for a rubber damper. Perfect.
Perfect. Yeah, yes.
Meant to be.
So that will keep it from vibrating metal to metal. So I think this is a 30 to 45 minute install if you know how to. But I'm not sure if from the exhaust, the stock exhaust, how easy it will be. I think it's gonna be easier.
So, rubber on the guide. So, make sure it's always tight. See?
Alright.
Even if it vibrates, the sound would be lessened or even eliminated. So later, don't clamp this in first because we might have adjustments. We have to pull this out to align the actual canister, the actual muffler. So just leave it hanging.
I think Don, this is for the carbon fiber cover.
Yes. We only provided one screw and one spring. So there's a possibility that it might be installed here. So let's line it up. Most likely it's gonna fall onto here.
Yeah,
Here.
yun nga.
The back. So we're gonna use the same screw that was removed a while ago. First,
One spring only. Yeah, I think it's the same canister with the Trident.
there.
There you go. Ain't gonna move. Ain't
When
gonna
is
go
the right
anywhere.
time to tighten our clamp?
Because it's now it's fixed. The location is fixed, so we can already tighten the clamp.
Always make sure it's tight so that there would be no exhaust leaks. But
We-
not too tight.
We
because
didn't
this
use
is
exhaust. What do you call it? Exhaust.
anti-seize grease.
No need. No need.
Yes, because the clamp and there's a perforation at the tip of
Yeah.
the exhaust pipe, so most likely it won't seize up.
So what tools did we use?
We
What
need
size?
a 10.
10.
That's for the bracket. A 14 and 12s
And 12. And
and a 13.
how about the screw, Allen screw? Did we use? No.
No,
No, we
no
didn't
need.
use any. So that's what you need when you're replacing. I'm just not sure if coming from the stock exhaust if you're gonna use the same tools, but most probably you will.
You're able to use.
You're gonna use torque for here. I think that's 6 or 4.
Yes, Torx. This is a T20.
T20.
T20. So we're gonna install this later. Sound check first. Make sure no vibrations, no exhaust leaks. With the baffle on.
We'll do another sound check without the DB killer. So the one we did was with the DB killer. There we go. DB killer off.
Baffle off.
Ito naman.
Sige.
So sound check without the DB killer. Let's go. Saluk. Go. Perfect. Right. Okay. So the backfire from this one is actually gone. No more gargle sound.
Because you have a longer canister and a longer pipe.
Okay, for the last piece, it's the carbon shield, heat shield, looking good. To complete the look. So the problem now is we're gonna need some more carbon parts to complement the exhaust.
Correction, T15.
T15. Done. And so the look now is more streamlined, more sexier than the one we had before. So there you go. That's how you install the Zard Slip-on for the Street Triple 2020 model to 2022. Alright. Peace. Alright guys, we're done. We're done replacing our exhaust from Akrapovic to the Zard Slip-on. It was an easy install actually. It took us around maybe less than an hour, 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So if we're gonna do it in your garage, it's doable. Just prepare the tools that you will need, basic tools. So there you go. I'm gonna share some upgrades that we're gonna be doing in the future videos. So guys, thank you for watching. Please be safe, God bless, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share so you can help us grow a channel. Also hit that notification bell for future videos. Right guys, again, thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.
Mm-hmm.